Hey guys, top of the day to you all. This is Daily Cryptocurrency Tidbits and my name is Kingsley. On this episode of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Phantom Wallet. Alright, Phantom Wallet is one of the most prominent, most used Solana wallets that is specifically built for Solana to store tokens on the Solana blockchain. I'm going to be showing you how to install Phantom from the ground up. All right, so first things first, I am going to be installing Solana on my browser. So I'm going to be getting this Phantom extension, wallet extension on my browser. I am using the Yandex browser. Yandex browser is one of the favorite browsers that I use to do anything crypto and surf the internet. It's quite robust and at the same time simplistic in nature. And type Phantom wallet. All right, so I'll search. Yeah, that's it. I'll click on this and then it will take me to the Phantom page. All right, so this is how the extension looks on your browser. Turn your browser into a crypto wallet. You can use it to store tokens on the Solana chain, USDC and whatever. So I'm going to try to make this quite snappy. So you can see I'll select Chrome, right? One of the best things I like about Yandex is that it emulates Chrome. It's just like Chrome browser, all right? Your Google Chrome browser. You can install extensions on it just like you would install extensions on your Chrome browser, all right? So this is a Phantom extension. I'm gonna add to Chrome on my Yandex browser, and then I'll click on add extension. And once it's done, it's downloading. Once it's done, it will let me know that it has completed the addition to my extension list on my Yandex browser. Okay, fine and good, it is done. All right, so on this page here, it shows create new wallet or use secret recovery phrase. Now I have another Yandex Phantom wallet where I have tokens and buy or trade on Solana dexes with, but for the essence of this video, that is why I'm using this other phone to make this video, so you get to understand how it is to install Phantom wallet, all right, on your Yandex browser. It's the same thing if you're using Chrome, but I prefer Yandex. You can as well adopt Yandex, but Chrome is all good too, and Brave browser as well. So I'll click on create new wallet. I could easily have installed or backed up my token key, my recovery phrase, and put it in here and but I don't. I'm just going to be creating a new wallet. All right, so you're going to be seeing immediately I'm done with this, I'll be deleting this wallet. So I'm not, it's for the essence of this video. So I'll go ahead and copy this and keep it somewhere safe. All right, I'll write it down and then okay, I have saved it. It's going to ask me, I have saved it, so I'll click save, and then it will ask me to enter a password. All right, so I'll enter a password for the sake of this video, and all right, I'll add, and then I'll go again. All right, so I'll click agree and continue, just continue. All right, so I'm all done here. I'll click on finish. Phantom wallet extension on my Yandex browser. So to access that, I'll simply come here. I'll click on okay, I'll just load up any page. Let's say I'll load up this page and then click on here and go to extensions, and right there I'll click on Phantom. It will ask me for my password. Okay, I'm already signed in, so you see my wallet is loading up. All right, this is for Yandex browser. This is how you install the Phantom extension wallet on your Yandex or Chrome browser. And now I can deposit funds in here if I want to. I could deposit funds from MoonPay. I could deposit funds from FTX. I could as well say I want to deposit Solana. I will just type in there and copy my address, my wallet address, and go to whichever exchange I'm going to be sending it, or wherever I'm sending the Solana from, or whoever is going to be sending me Solana, I'll just copy and send them the address. And that's how to install the Phantom wallet extension on your Yandex browser or your Chrome browser. I hope you find this video interesting. Please do well to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like this content.